Hey, it's Tony with Build a Dream. So I use the Serene Life to pump my SCP electronically, but with these instructions, you'll get the gist of how to use an electric air pump for your paddleboard with just about any other brand. What these electric air pumps do is they automatically pump your paddleboard. They're either powered by rechargeable batteries or by your car's charger. It's much easier that way. I don't have to think about recharging my batteries. So first off, you roll out your deflated paddleboard flat. Next, you turn your car on. Then you plug it into your car's charging port. Next, open the paddleboard's valve. Plug and twist lock the hose onto your paddleboard's valve. Then click on the power button for your electronic pump. Next, hit the power button once to turn it off once the SCP reaches the preferred PSI amount. Most pumps would show the PSI amount on the display. Lastly, twist off the hose attached to the board and remove it from the car's battery charger. And that's it. Really simple. It is so much more easy and convenient using a paddleboard electronic pump than manually pumping it. The main reason why I decided to get an electronic pump rather than manually pumping it is I knew after the first time when I went out manually pumping my paddleboard, I knew that I was not going to go out as often if I had to manually pump it every time. So once I got this, I was so much happier. In case you don't have one yet, the Serene Life is a pretty good one. It's in the description below, but there are also other ones that are highly rated as well. I got this one just because it's a little bit more affordable than the other ones, but it still gets the job done. So, I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. If you like travel and adventure, subscribe to this channel, check out our merch, and have a blessed day.